Hey, hi, hello. This is Shubha. Welcome to my channel, Shiksha with Shubha.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Kushi.
Ma'am, I have a few doubts regarding the RT-PCR test, which they keep showing in the news channels, but I just don't understand it, whether it's a blood test or a swab test. Could you please explain it to me?
Yes, definitely, Kushi. I will.
Hold on, ma'am. Please don't explain it in a chemical structure and all. Just explain it to me in an easy way.
Yes, Kushi. Don't worry. Even I'm not a chemistry student. I will explain it to you in a very easy, simple way wherein everybody can understand.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
What is RT-PCR test? This is what you meant, right?
Yes.
Kushi, can you see this?
Yes, I can see it. It's the most scariest thing, right?
Yes, of course, coronavirus. And see, can you see something here? It's in the snake shape, right? This is called the RNA. O-
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is RNA is present in coronavirus, and it's a genetic material. This is got single helix. See, can you see here? This is,
Yes, I can
yeah,
see.
this is got the single helix, right? Yeah, and in human body, I'll tell you what is the difference. In human body, we have DNA, but coronavirus has got RNA. Remember that.
Okay.
And in DNA, we have double helix. See,
Oh,
can you see
okay.
both? It's
Yes.
both side like it's in the twisted, right? So this is the double helix, and here it is the single helix. See, the DNA looks like this. Okay.
Okay.
And when basically when you have to break the DNA, that is you are breaking the DNA and making it half, it is called transcription. But in coronavirus it is already broken. It's only single helix which is present, and it's RNA. But we do not have any machine to test the RNA. We
Oh,
have a machine to test the DNA. There are DNA tests which is conducted. It's a genetic material which is conducted for various purposes, and we have a machine, separate machine for that. Now, corona does not have DNA and it has RNA, and we have to generate, or we do not have a machine to test the RNA. So what we are going to do is we are going to join the RNAs and make a DNA. So that is
so should
called,
we join two RNA?
yes, you're
Oh,
right.
okay.
So when you join two RNAs, it becomes DNA.
One DNA.
Yes,
Oh,
one
okay,
DNA.
okay.
So that becomes reverse transcription,
Oh, okay.
right? So
Yes.
that is reverse transcription.
It's quite interesting, right?
Yes, yes. RT-PCR, reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. How is a test done? Firstly, the sample of swab is collected from the nose and the throat of a suspect, and then a sample is put to a special chemical which isolates the cells from the virus. Now, the RNA is extracted or separated, right? Now, the extracted RNA is converted into new DNA. Now, the new DNA is called cDNA, which is also known as complementary DNA. Now, once the DNA is made, they make more copies of DNAs. Okay, now while testing, they make up to 40 cycles of DNA to find whether the coronavirus is present or not. Okay, this just works just like your washing machine or the churner. Okay, like how it's kept in the complete heat, and they make many cycles, and sometimes for some in the fifth count itself, or in the fifth cycle itself, the virus may be found, or for some it may be found in 15th cycle, or for some it may be found in 35th cycle. So it all depends. Okay, it depends on the severity. If it is found in the early, like in the 5th stages or 2nd or 3rd, then then it is severity is more. If it is found above 30-35, then the severity is less. That's how it works. And this is called thermocycler. This is the machine which is used to test the RT-PCR. And usually the testing period takes up to 8 to 10 hours. Okay, and sometimes the testing is done individually, and for some time it could be done together also. Together they collect the swab, and testing could be done collectively, which could save the timings. That can also be done.
Oh, this is the machine. It looks like a fax machine, right?
Yes, it looks like a fax machine, but this is the one which detects the deadliest creature. Right, Kushi?
Yes.
I hope you have understood, Kushi.
Yes, I really understood it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kushi. Today, because of you, even I could learn something, Kushi. So thank you. Thank you to you also.